Okay, so something we might forget is how a capacitor, inductor and a diode behave at t equals to 0 and t tends to infinity. So at t equals to 0, a capacitor behaves like a plain wire and an inductor behaves like an open circuit. For a diode, it just depends on if it's forward biased or reverse biased. We will discuss this with an example in a minute. And t tends to infinity, inductor behaves like a plain wire and capacitor behaves like an open circuit. So here, if we take t is equals to 0, then we will see that this is a capacitor, and at t equals to 0, capacitor behaves like a plain wire. So this just does not exist. You can just erase that, replace it with a line. That's how it is. This is an inductor, so it behaves like an open circuit, so there is no current passing through it at all. That is at t equals to 0. And if we see this diode, this is the positive terminal, negative terminal, so this is forward biased, so current will flow through it. If it was reverse biased, then it would act like an open circuit, no current would flow through it. At t tends to infinity, so diode is not dependent on t equals to 0 or t tends to infinity. It only depends on forward biased or reverse biased. So at t tends to infinity, this capacitor that was here before, it acts as an open circuit, and this acts like a plain wire. Hope you understood. Thank you. Bye.